child, welcome back to the Garden of Treatz, brought to you by the Love Always Foundation. Today we're going to hit y'all with a video on providing some nutrients to our fruit trees, because one of the things that we do is that we don't treat our trees, we treat our soil so the fruits can be high mineral dense, and so when you bite into that fruit, it gives you the nutrients and the vitamins that you need, you know what I'm saying? And so make sure that you like and subscribe to this video, and make sure you share with your mama, your daddy, your auntie, your uncles, and your cousins, so we can all participate into a rejuvenation of our nation. You feel me? Let's get it going. So it's a nice, beautiful, hot day, and so we're out watering our fruit trees, and we're about to add some compost on top of them. And we're gonna get some soil also. So we just watering them up. We was using the 5-gallon buckets and carrying them over, but we decided to turn on the hose, and she is on the way back to go get some compost and some worm castings. If you don't know what worm castings are, check this next slide out and I'm gonna show you what worm castings are. Basically, worm castings are basically worm poop, for real. Things that they ate in the soil to create bioorganisms and put nutrients back into the soil. And so Marley's watering right now. She's doing an amazing job. All right, come on, let's go to the next tree. This is a peach tree. Come on. All right. Come on. On the 5th, this airland will be a month. This is the delicious apple. Put it right here. All right. One of the things that we made a mistake on when we first planted our trees is that we didn't water them as much as they needed to be watered. And so when we first transplanted these into the orchard right here, we made sure that we water them consistently for like the first 7 days so they can have a good watering. Here, put it right here, Mama. And the other thing, moving forward, when we do plant trees again, we built our hole. The hole was probably like 2 foot deep, and the diameter probably was like a foot. But next time, I'm trying to do the diameter like 3 feet around and like 1.5 feet deep. And so when the root structure starts to still build and create, they don't have to work through that hard, tough and dense soil like out to this way, you know what I'm saying? So it'll just be a little bit easier for it to grow. All right, come on, let's get this one. As you can see, this tree right here, this is another apple tree. It's brought some new leaves right there, which is good. What you mean, no? Say apple? Actually, I think this is a pear. Put it down there. Yep. You gotta get them roots. Them roots thirsty. Good job. And so that's what we're about to do. We're about to finish watering these apple trees, pear trees, ice plum trees, kiwi trees, elderberry tree over there. We have some grapevines up there, some pawpaw trees that we got to water. And so we're going to just continue watering these until she get back with the compost. And then we're going to end up going back there to get some soil to fill with that compost and the worm cast. So just going through and adding some more water on the way back from watering the kiwis. A little extra water. Look at Marley. She over there getting soil. I'm about to show y'all that in a second. So she's getting the soil. Then we're gonna add the compost materials up in here. Mix it up. Good job. Where they? Oh, they back there. All right.
You heard us?
Feel it. All right, good job. You're doing well.
Need some water too.
Need some water too.
So we got some soil that I just got from a pile of dirt we had in the back. Right here is some loamy. It's composted material from food scraps. It's a machine we use. And then we have some, right here, some coffee grounds that we got from our local coffee shop.
Did you add the worm castings?
No, because I could not find them.
All right, it's all good. So we're gonna put these on the memorial. We're gonna say happy birthday to Ange.
First, we need to put some water in the dirt. Well, we can mix it first.
Let's do it here. You wanna mix?
You can mix. Marley's playing with the water. Here, show daddy. Marley's recording. Show daddy.
There you go. All right. Add a little water now. Good job, Mara. That's a good view. Back it up a little bit.
Okay. So this how it's looking, all mixed.
Nice. So this is the following day after we laid down the compost and we watered it in. And so that's the peach tree. She looking good. It's the apple tree. And so as it rains, the nutrients will just continue to flood down into the soil, giving it to the roots and to the earth. As you can see, there's lots of ants down there, so that's a good sign. Let's check them out, check them out. Another apple tree. It's a beautiful day. So yeah, they look good. Sit. Mama!